Look up at the moon tonight. You are only ever seeing one half of it. The other half hides a 4 billion-year-old secret. Because Earth once had a second moon, and in a way it is still here, smeared across the side we never see. For decades, this was one of the strangest puzzles in space. The moon has two faces, and they do not match. The side we see is smooth and dark, covered in vast plains of ancient frozen lava we call the seas. But the far side, hidden from Earth forever, looks nothing like it. It is rugged, battered, and covered in towering highlands. Its crust is far thicker, its mountains rise higher. For 50 years, no one could explain why the two sides were so different. Then in 2011, two scientists offered a wild answer. Maybe the far side is a graveyard. To understand it, we go back 4.5 billion years, to the violent birth of the moon itself. A young planet the size of Mars slammed into the early Earth in a collision almost beyond imagination. The impact threw a vast ring of molten debris into orbit around our wounded planet, a glowing disk of rock and fire. Out of that ring, the moon pulled itself together, but it was not alone. A second, smaller moon formed from the very same debris, a companion about 1/3 the width of the moon. The two moons settled into the same orbit, locked in a delicate gravitational balance, circling Earth together for ages. For tens of millions of years, Earth had two moons in its sky, one large and one small, drifting side by side. But this balance could not last. As the moon slowly migrated outward, the companion's orbit began to fail. Eventually, the smaller moon drifted toward its larger twin. The two were on a slow, unstoppable collision course. And here is the strange part. This was not a violent, explosive crash like the movies. It was almost gentle. The companion moon struck at only a few thousand miles per hour, painfully slow for a cosmic collision. It was so slow that the rock never melted. Instead of a crater, the smaller moon simply flattened and spread. Like a scoop of soft ice cream pressed onto a table, it pancaked across one entire side of the moon. That splattered remains, the scientists say, is the far side. The thick crust and highlands are the corpse of the second moon. It even helped push the moon's lighter minerals around to the near side, matching what we actually see today. The idea has a name. Scientists call it the Big Splat, a companion world pancaked forever onto the face we cannot see. It elegantly solves the mystery. Two mismatched sides, one born from lava plains, the other from a fallen sister moon. Now, this is still a theory. Other scientists argue the difference came from Earth's heat, or a slightly different history. We may not know for certain until humans stand on the far side and drill into those ancient highland rocks. But if the Big Splat is right, the second moon never disappeared. It became part of the first. Every time you look up, you see only the near side. Turned away from us is the tomb of a vanished world. A whole moon, older than life on Earth, crushed silent into the mountains of the far side, hidden from us forever. If that changed how you see the moon, subscribe for more cosmic secrets. Should we go dig it up? See you next time.